Yo, this is Movier. I'm making like a voiceover or something from Traphik, Airplanes remix with Amir. Traphik, personally to you, you really make good songs. Your lyrics are awesome. Yeah, I'm just doing this to tribute you because really, respect, man. Really.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Traphik, Heavenly Father, can you please send me something to wish on? Or at least tell these demons on my back just to get going. I know I am the shit, but I'm still getting pissed off. I'm talking about the brothers understand to be misborn. Looking like a man, but I feel like a boy. Try to do what I can, but I'm feeling destroyed. I just want to read this book and leave the ceiling destroyed. But every time I look at this shit, there's nothing left to live for. And I look to this light of the stars, like, Lord, could you please show me that you ain't far? I'm a nice guy, hope I don't finish last, but fuck that, I'm a rocket out of build to blast. So I stay focused like a camera lenses, and I stay humble, never act pretentious. Cause if I had a wish that it hadn't sent me, it would be simply that you don't forget me. I made a wish on one, now and one. You can't block my shots, and one. Now the stuck up girls think I'm handsome, and my pops is proud. Damn son, I went from just pretend to the Jeffersons. I've been moving on up and it just began. No one helped me then, that is just my pen. I'm here to claim my crown, I'm the freshest prince. I had your attention, now I got your respect. Always did my own thing, I don't got no regrets. I keep on going, ain't no stopping me yet. Now I'm rocking out, go at the top of the steps. I don't need no star, I'm a spaceship. See what I want in life and I take it. Ain't excuse to talk, but it ain't this shit. Cause you can't, I made it.
Traphik, respect, man.